Hi guys, let me show you really quick how to remove wipers from Peugeot 307. Let's go to the driver's seat. You need to open the hood first. There is a lever. Then you pull up the pad and open the hood. Let's secure it. Take this rod, put it there. And now you pull up the wiper and you have a clip here. You push it from both sides, then you pull your wiper out and you remove it. Same, you put it on here first, push, and you put it on. It works exactly the same with the other wiper. As you can see, there's a clip here. You need to push and remove the wiper. Push and click it in. Now the rear wiper. Pull it out. Now you can see here, the only thing you need to do, you need to press it here and then you remove this part out of this groove. The wiper is off. And same, to install it, you first need to put that in. Have this small shaft or a rod next to the groove and then just press it in. One hand is enough. A few days ago I removed the whole arms from the car, and maybe that video will show the whole process a bit clearer. I removed the whole wiper arm and I hope that it's clearly visible now. There is a clip here. In order to remove the wiper, you need to press it and pull it towards the windshield. And then the wiper is off. And same, if you want to install it now, you need to hook it on this bracket and then press and set it inside. One last tip guys, when you buy new front wiper arms for Peugeot 307, two wipers are different size. Remember that the larger wiper is for the driver. I hope you guys liked the video, leave a like if you did, and good luck with your Peugeot.